This is your boy Ed Kane. I am in residential El Dorado, my neighborhood. And guys, look at this amazing property. It's absolutely beautiful. Got a surprise for you. Guys, we're going upstairs in this amazing house. Basically a mansion, $300 per night. You can't beat it. Come down with your crew, your girls, your guys, a group of friends, whatever, and have an amazing few days. Got blue bedroom, vaulted ceiling fan, super cold, super free AC, closet space, huge, amazingly decorated. Look at this baño. It's beautiful. Guys did a great job on this house, man. Definitely. Got the outside balcony where you can see the ocean. Come out, chill. Ocean view. And again, secured windows, but you won't need it because this residential is amazing. I've been here for a year, no issues, no problem. Everybody treats you with nothing but love. This the green room? Yep. Green room. AC. Beautifully decorated. Look like you're in a resort, man. This is crazy. Absolutely beautiful. Standing shower. Amazing. We're gonna keep walking, guys, taking you on a tour. This amazing house. Not house. That's disrespect. Got living room number 2 upstairs. You can come and chill when you're with your crew, no matter who you're with. You got so many different areas in this crib to where you can just be separated. So come with the group, 6-7 people. You won't even have to see them. Got another balcony here in the upstairs living room, looking out on the street level, street view. We'll keep going, guys. Master bedroom. What's the name of this one? Just master?
The number's the yellow room.
The yellow room. Yeah. Look at that. What's that, California King?
King size.
It's huge. You know, the sizes are different in the DR. This is huge, man. This is beautiful. Ceiling fan. And you got the AC, huge AC, not the little small AC units that take forever to kick out a little cold air. You got the monitors, security system, and again, you will not need it. Guys, this place is amazing. $300 a night, like I said, will get you. And right across the street, you guys seen my other videos and you know how I talked about everything that's in the area. You have casinos across the street, Caviar, which I frequent all the time when I want to get out and, you know, got the beach, you got Playa Dorada, you got right here, I mean like 5 minutes away, not even 5 minutes. The beach is right across the street, golf course. You got plenty of places to eat. Jumbo is just right up the street, you can walk to it. Pharmacies, convenience stores, everything is here within walking distance.
Cinema.
You got a cinema, I forgot all about that, yeah. Got the cinema, and it shows recent movies.
Full walk-in closet.
Full walk-in closet. I'm not gonna show you all this, guys. Wardrobe. Then you have the master suite, jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower. Man, it look like a spaceship.
The shower plays music and play your phone.
Shower plays music and your phone, and what else?
Yeah, Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, so you can get anything you want. This is awesome, man. Look at that tub. You can walk up, walk down.
And the water runs hot continuously, so
okay.
Hot water fill the hotel up.
Hot water runs continuously, so it will never run out of hot water. Guys, this is amazing. All right, I got something even better for you. We're gonna go downstairs, let you see a little bit more of the upstairs living room. This home is immaculate. $300, 3 guys, that's $100 a night. So you do the count, you do the math. It's 6 guys or 6 females, or you know, just combination. Whoever you want to bring, your family.
You got a 4th year.
You got it made, and you got a 4th bedroom. So now we're gonna go outside. Cream on top of the icing on top of the cake. Outside lounge area, ceiling fan. You got the foliage. TV, huge. What's that? 65? 55-inch. Outside bar. And you see that? You see that amazing pool, guys? You got the mountain view right here. How can you go wrong? Look at that pool. It is beautiful, beautiful. You know I love water, so this is amazing. You got jacuzzi on top. Got your little palms. $300 a night, guys. Hit your boy up. I put all the information in the description box. You got an outside sitting area right here, and it has a full kitchen outside. So you can grill, you can cook outside, everything. Full kitchen area. I think there's an outside shower. Yep, outside shower as well. So you got your outside shower and a baño right here. Bathroom. Guys, look at this place. This is what you're looking for. This is what you need. You don't need nothing else. You're only 15 minutes away from Sosúa. When you want to go to Sosúa and play, have a good time, hang out at Sosúa Beach. If you don't want to go to Playa Dorada one day, you want to go to Sosúa, you can go right outside of Entrada, catch a taxi, or we'll set you up with an actual driver. That's not a problem. You won't have any issues to worry about. And better view of the outdoor kitchen. Your cooler, your drinks, everything you need. This crib is amazing, man. Amazing.
Washroom.
Got a bathroom, baño here as well.
I know, for your washing clothes.
Oh, okay, for washing your clothes.
And barbecue grill if you need it.
Okay, got your washer, barbecue grill, so you bring your grill out. I was gonna tell you that you hit me for my grill, man. That looks just like mine. Guys, it's amazing. You got your palm trees in the back. You won't need to go anywhere else. You may not even go to the beach, to be honest. Look at that mountain view. Look at that view, guys. Look at the pool. If I had on some shorts, you know I'll jump in.
You got Wi-Fi throughout the house.
Oh yeah, how's the Wi-Fi signal? It's good? Pretty good? Okay. Pretty good Wi-Fi. I'm not sure it's good. You just have certain, you know how it is. The house is big. It's gonna be stronger in certain areas.
It got two, one upstairs
You got,
and one
oh, okay. But you got 2 routers, so you won't have any issues at all. Yeah, guys. Just want you to see how beautiful this is. We're gonna do one last walkthrough downstairs, and we are out. Okay. Oh, there's another bedroom? Oh, okay. I missed the bedroom.
Divided by 4 people, that's $75 per person.
Bruh, 4 people, $75 a night. You can't beat it nowhere. The location. Amazing, amazing, amazing property, guys. Can't beat it. 55-inch TV. Got your big group table, dining table. Kitchen is amazing. And you got this beautiful room here on the back side. Beautiful bathroom. Extra clean. This is the brown room, guys. Also has AC, ceiling fan. This house is amazing. I mean, you know, amazing is my favorite word, guys, so you definitely can't go wrong with this crib. $300 a night. Located by everything. Anything you want to go to, movies, the beach, several beaches. The Malecon is only 7-8 minutes away. You got Sosúa. You want to shoot out to Sosúa again. It's short, like 15 minutes from here. That's all it takes me to get there. It's about 15 minutes. Absolutely amazing, guys. I'm gonna walk back out here and show you the outside again. The front. So guys, hit me up. Information will be in the description box so you can check on the dates, availability, everything that you need to know will be in the description box, and you'll be able to contact me to book this property. All right, guys, your boy's out. Adios.